Hey guys, so this is what's going down. So we're on the career cruising launch and the start of our career and self-exploration project. So what we're gonna first do, we have to get you into career cruising. So if you can see, it's the third one down. You just click on it. And what's really cool is actually your login is gonna be your first name, last name. Don't type in mine. I'm saying yours, but it's going to be the same stuff as what you use to get onto your computer. If it is not working for you, some of you guys might actually have to add the last two digits of your password to the end of your name, but it should work. So if you would please stop and do this, I'd appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, so now you're in. You would know because it says your name right here. Um, our first step that we're going to do, we're going to click on assessments here. And as you can see, here's the matchmaker and skills. You're going to want to say start matchmaker. You'll click here. So just to let you guys know, it's going to ask, it says in this section, you'll be asked 39 questions, but there are 3 sections to it. With each section, I'm wanting you to record some of the jobs that you see. It could be the first 3, or it could be some random ones that you've picked out, but we want you to record it on your recording sheet because that will be turned in at the end of the day if you can. So it says for each question, there's going to be 5 answers to choose from. Okay, do you dislike this very much? Just kind of dislike it. Does not really matter, like, which do not answer this too many times. It will not bode well for you. It will not give you jobs that are matched to you at all. Here's like and here's like very much. But we got to name this thing. So we're going to call it 9/24/18. And then we're going to say start now. Now, this next part is asking you what type of jobs would you like to have come up. So if you're someone who you would like to go on to, you wouldn't mind doing 4 years of college, keep this one clicked. But if you only want to go on to maybe have 2 years of 2 years of college, like for example, GRCC, MCTI, have the HN, the C clicked. But if you just want to be done with school once you're done with high school, just only have the H clicked. Okay, so then you'd hit next. And this is what it's going to look like. It'll say, for example, how would you like a career which includes working with children? I think I like that very much. Working outdoors in any weather. So as you guys can see, this is what's going to happen. So if you could please do that now. Thank you. Okay, so when you're done with the first section, okay, so this was the first 30, I think they said 35 questions. So as you can see, here's some of my jobs that it identified, but as you can see right here, I only have 39 out of the 116 done. So this thing barely knows me. But what I want you guys to do on your Google Classroom, as you can see, it says Career Cruising Documentation. If you click on this, everybody's going to get their own copy. It gets put into their drives. I want you to write down 3 of the jobs that you see after you do each section. So now that I completed the first 39, I, for example, would record any of these that I thought was interesting. It could be the first 3 if I want to save time, or I could go and pick and. But the next thing I'm going to do, let me see if I can get back to it. Oh boy. Where'd I go? Oh, I'm here. Anyway, sorry. What I'd want to do, I'd say answer more questions. And it would take me to the next few steps. So I want you to go through and answer these things and record what you see for each section, if you would, please. Thank you. Okay, so awesome. Now I've gotten everything done. Now my next step, and I've recorded on the sheet, now my next step is to go right here to the student copy of the Career Exploration Project template. And so you guys, this is basically a bare bones structure of what your project's going to look like. About every teacher in the building is having you guys research eventually one job you like, one job you dislike. Childcare, you're a little bit different. Ms. Beth has some more that she wants you to do. I think you have to do at least 3. But what you're going to be doing is the stuff that you did today is going to be going in here. So as you can see, what's going to end up happening, and actually I should be changing that to matchmaker. Oh, actually, never mind. I should make sure I redo that. There. So you're going to be putting down some of your interests, so some of those things that you identified that you like to do when you did the matchmaker questions. The next time, or else if you have time today, you could start the My Skills and get that done and out of the way. But look at this, jobs that use these abilities and skills. That would be any of the ones that you identified with each different section that I had you write down on that sheet. Things go together. So after you're done with your recording sheet, you're going to be inserting some information into here. When you're done with this today, I would recommend that you go to your GoPro sheet, fill out week 6, make sure you record the learning targets and things, and we will go from there. Anyway, thank you guys, and hope you like the short little video.